How to check battery health on Windows laptop. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick and easy way to check your battery health on your Windows laptop. Let's just get started. The very first thing you want to do here is go over to Start menu and then search for command prompt. Now you need to type in this command. Type in power cfg space / battery report. Hit enter and it's going to give you a path right here. Just copy this. Once you copy this, go over to any of your web browser and then paste it there. Hit enter. It's going to show you your battery report. Now you can find your battery design capacity and your full charge capacity. So if your full charge capacity is less than your design capacity, then that means that your battery health has been degraded. As you can see, my full charge capacity is same as the design capacity, so I'm good to go. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Hit the like button down below, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.